Hello and welcome. For this beautiful headband, we'll be needing our fabric, our scissors, tape measure, thread, and our tailor's chalk. First up, you need to make use of a stretchy material. Look for the stretchiest part, and that's the part you'll be using for the length of your headband. So before you start, you measure your head round. Then for this tutorial, I'll be making use of 8 inches by 18. That's what I want to use in this tutorial. Remember, the fabric is stretchy, so I'll mark my points 8 inch and 18, and then I'll cut it out like this. Carefully cut it out. After then, I'll mark another one for another panel, which is 8 by 8 inches. So it's going to be a square. It's going to be a square. So I'll mark it out and cut it out. After marking, you can see I've marked it out. Then I'll cut it out carefully too. Don't forget to drop your questions in the comment section. So after cutting it, after marking it, I will cut it. Don't mind me. Just make sure your lines are carefully drawn and cut out straight. So you can see the 2 panels now. So they are out now. So after that, I'll go to the sewing machine, and then I'll bend that 8 by 8 inches into the smaller parts, and then I'll sew this part, leaving out a little space for me to turn out my cloth, because I won't want you to see my rough edges. So I'm done sewing now, and you can see that part. Then I'll place the fabric like this, close the 2 edges and bring it out from the middle point. After that, you can see now, then I'll close up those raw edges to give it a neat finish. Then I'll pick up the longer one, sew it like that, turn it to the right parts. Then you want to look at this very carefully, just watch it. Then I'll look at, you see how I opened it, then the 2 edges, I'll now pick it together like this, and then carefully I'll sew it round. After sewing it, there's a little space, this is it, and then I'll come to that space and close it up. Pick up that square and pick up my scrap fabric, just cut a little bit small like this, then sew it in between to secure it. And here we have it, the headband is ready. Thank you for watching this video. If you have questions, comment, suggestions, please do well to drop it in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.